Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Kim. Since you guys know that we can't go to school right now, everything is going to be on our laptop, tablet, or our iPad. So let's look at our morning circle slide. Okay, just like how we did in the classroom, we're going to look at our calendar to find out today's date. So the month that we're in is April. Yesterday's date was 12, so we know that we need to write the number that comes after 12 for today's date. So what number comes after 12? If you want to answer it, you can pause the video before I say the correct answer. So today is the 13th. So let's fill out this part of our calendar report. The title of the page says today's date. Today's date is, we're in the month April, so April goes here. Let's make that a little bigger. And today's date that we just wrote down is the number that comes after 12 is 13. And the year is 2020. The short way to write today's date is for 4, because April is the 4th month in the year. Then we have our dash, 13 for today's date. And the year 2020, the short way is we write the last two numbers in 2020, so that's 20. Another way that we can write it is we keep the same 4 for April slash 13 slash 20. The month is April and the year is 2020. So we know that today is the 13th and it's the beginning of the week, so today is Monday. So let's look at these two arrows to find out what yesterday was and what tomorrow will be. So let's start with what tomorrow will be first. To answer that question, we need to ask ourselves, what day comes after Monday? Tuesday comes after Monday. And if we go back to today, because that's where we start at, today is Monday. If we go backwards, what comes before Monday? It is Sunday. So let's fill out our sentences now that we know the information. So today is Monday. Yesterday was, is it Sunday or is it Tuesday? What comes before Monday? Another way that we can find out is look at the color that yesterday was. That color is pink, and this rectangle here is also pink, so that's another clue. So the pink box says yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be, what comes after Monday? In the blue rectangle, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Next, let's go over class rules. So our class rules, if you guys want to read it with me, is we need to listen to directions, raise your hand when you need something, and no giving up. Another part of our class rules is keeping our hands to ourselves. That includes no chasing and no hitting. We want to be kind to each other, so you need to keep your hands to yourself. But since we're not meeting in our classroom anymore and everything is through the internet and at home, we have new class rules that I want everyone to follow. So the first one, it's still the same. It says listen to directions, but the new part of that rule is it says listen to your family. So since your family is with you at home, we need to listen to the directions they give us. This rule is the same, no giving up. I still want everyone to try their best when they're working. The next two, they're both new. So remember when we talked about why we're staying at home? We're staying at home because a lot of people are sick right now, so staying at home is the best way to keep safe and healthy. And a part of being safe and healthy is washing our hands. So the rule says wash your hands. Remember in the classroom we would wash our hands while listening to the wash your hand videos, and we had to count to 20 because when you're washing your hands, you want to wash your hands for 20 seconds to get them very, very clean. And the last rule to keep safe and healthy, once again, we need to stay at home. So that's why school is on the computer now. And the last part of morning circle, what color do we always start back on because it's a new day? You're correct. It's green. We start back at green, and we all know green means ready to learn. So we have Matthew on green, Nicholas, Isaiah, Matthew, Anthony, Jakari, Giovanni, Jaden, Renee, Sean, Xavier, Christopher, Miss Tyler, Mr. Michael, and me. We're all on green. I hope you guys have an awesome day today and try your best with all the work that's on the computer now. Okay, bye for now.